Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner series. This is a video number 14. So in this video we will learn how to move, copy, paste data in Excel. So let's start with moving data. Select the cell or range of cell you want to move. So here I select entire data. To select the entire data you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Second way is select the inside the cell and you can use here the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the entire data. After that hold the Ctrl key and just keep cursor the last column line and you can see here the arrow plus sign here showing. Just click on the mouse and drag and just place where you want data. That's it. This is the way you can quickly move your data anywhere. And the second way, you just select the entire data and you can use here the Ctrl X, cut the data and select the destination where you want to move. I just select the cell and press here the Ctrl V to paste the data. So this is a two way you can move data in Excel quickly. That's it. Next is copying data. So select a range of cells. So here I select the entire data and press here the Ctrl C to shortcut key to copy data. Then select the destination where you want. So I select the cell and use here Ctrl V to paste the data. Okay. You can use here the just select the entire data and just simply right click on the mouse and here have a copy option. Just click on the copy and select the cell and again right click on the mouse and click on the paste and that's it. So this is a way also you can copy data. So that's it. Hope you understood. So let's see paste spatial option. The select a range of cells. So here I select the entire data and press the Ctrl C to copy your data and I select here the cell where we want to paste it. Okay, and press here the shortcut key Ctrl Alt V and here you can see the paste spatial dialog box is open. Now I select here the value and click on OK and here you see only value is pasted, not formatting, not formula. You can see in salary here showing the formula, but in this salary here not showing any formula, any formatting, also here not showing. Okay, so this is so helpful to paste only values. Okay, and again I use here the Ctrl Z to undo the action. And the second way, I just select the entire data again and use the Ctrl C and select the cell and use here the Ctrl Alt V and here you can see the paste spatial dialog box. Now I select here the formula and click on OK. Now here you can see in salary column showing the formula. When I click on the cell, you can see here the formula bar showing the formula as like here. Okay, you can select the cell and you can press the F2 also to check the formula. Okay, so this is a way you can paste with formula also. And again I use here the Ctrl Z, undo the action and again I select the entire data, use the Ctrl C, select the cell and use here the Ctrl Alt V and here the paste spatial is open. Now I select here the comments and notes. So I select this option and click on OK. Now here you can see only the comments here showing. Only the comments. Only here in one cell have a comments. Only the comments here showing. Not a data, not a formatting, nothing else. Okay, so this is a way you can exclude your comment only from your data. Okay, so I use here Ctrl Z. Again I copy this data. Ctrl C and select the cell and use here the Ctrl Alt V and here in paste spatial I select here transpose. Okay, and click on OK. Now here you can see your data is converted in different format. The row is converted in column and column is converted in row. Okay, you can see the changes over here. Okay, if you want to this data convert in this format, so I select this entire data, use here Ctrl C and select here cell and use here Ctrl Alt V and now I select transpose and click on OK and here you see your data is different format. Is row is converted column, column is converted in row. So this is a way you can use this option also in paste spatial. So that's it. Finally, if you want to drag and copy, hold down the Ctrl key while dragging the selection. This will create a copy instead of moving it. So this option I already covered in first option, move data. So again I show you. So simply select the entire data. Okay. Then hold the Control key and just keep cursor in the last line of the column, and you can see arrow with plus sign here showing. After that, just click on the mouse and drag and place where you want the data. That's it. This is a way you can quickly drag and copy data in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.